Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing pergola with concrete flooring decor ideas and tips for decorating a pergola for perfect outdoor living area. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola is an open-air outdoor structure that is typically made of wood or metal. It can be freestanding or attached to a building. Pergolas are often used to provide shade and shelter from the elements, but they can also be used to create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space. Concrete flooring is a popular choice for pergolas because it is durable, easy to maintain, and relatively inexpensive. However, concrete flooring can be plain and uninspiring. That's where pergola with concrete flooring decor comes in. With a little creativity, you can easily transform your concrete pergola floor into a stylish and inviting space. In this video, we'll share tips for decorating a pergola with concrete flooring and 10 best pergola with concrete flooring decor ideas to help you get started. When decorating a pergola with concrete flooring, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, choose materials that are durable and weather-resistant. Concrete flooring is a durable option, but you should still choose furniture and accessories that can withstand the elements. Second, consider the overall style of your pergola and outdoor living space. When choosing decor, make sure to select pieces that complement the overall style of your space. Third, add a variety of textures and colors. To create a visually interesting space, add a variety of textures and colors to your pergola with concrete flooring. You can do this by adding plants, pillows, blankets, and other accessories. Fourth, use lighting to create ambience. Lighting can help to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your pergola. Add string lights, lanterns, or even solar lights to create a space that you can enjoy both day and night. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best pergola with concrete flooring decor ideas. 1. Add a cozy seating area. One of the best ways to decorate a pergola with concrete flooring is to add a cozy seating area. You can add a sofa, chairs, and a coffee table to create a space where you can relax and entertain guests. 2. Add a dining table. If you like to dine outdoors, consider adding a dining table and chairs to your pergola. This will create a dedicated space where you can enjoy meals with family and friends. 3. Add a hammock. A hammock is a great way to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Adding a hammock to your pergola will create a perfect spot to unwind on a sunny day. 4. Add plants. Plants are a great way to add color and life to your pergola with concrete flooring. You can add potted plants, hanging plants, or even climbing plants to create a lush and inviting space. 5. Add lighting. Lighting can help to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your pergola. You can add string lights, lanterns, or even solar lights to create a space that you can enjoy both day and night. 6. Add a rug. Adding a rug to your pergola with concrete flooring is a great way to add a touch of style and comfort. You can choose a rug that complements the overall style of your pergola and outdoor living space. 7. Add a fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to add warmth and ambience to your pergola with concrete flooring. It is also a great place to gather with friends and family on a cool evening. 8. Add a water feature. A water feature, such as a fountain or bird bath, can add a touch of tranquility to your pergola with concrete flooring. It can also help to attract birds and other wildlife to your backyard. 9. Add artwork. Adding artwork to your pergola with concrete flooring is a great way to add a personal touch to your space. You can hang paintings, sculptures, or even wind chimes to create a space that reflects your unique style. 10. Add a privacy screen. If you want to add a bit of privacy to your pergola with concrete flooring, consider adding a privacy screen. You can choose from a variety of different materials, such as bamboo, lattice, or fabric. Pergolas with concrete flooring are a great way to add style and functionality to your outdoor living space. By following the tips above, you can create a pergola with concrete flooring that is both stylish and inviting. If you are looking for more inspiration for decorating your pergola with concrete flooring, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs. We have a variety of videos that can help you to create the perfect outdoor living area. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing pergola with concrete flooring decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.